Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This is part 5 of Counter app with real-time database and RecyclerView. I have given the link of the last video on the top right I button. In this video, we will create a alert dialog to show loading, and also if there is some error or no internet, we will display an empty view. We will be using alert dialog with custom view for showing the progress bar. So to create a new layout file for progress bar, we will right click in the layout folder, new layout resource file name progress_layout. In this layout, we will keep a progress bar. Parent layout height would be wrap content. We will go to the main activity and we will create a new method show progress dialog. On top, we will declare alert dialog. Inside show progress dialog method, first we will be required an alert dialog builder. So alert dialog builder assign new alert dialog builder. In the parameter context this. Because we are using custom layout in the alert dialog, for that purpose we will be required layout inflator. View assign layout inflator dot from in the parameter context this, then dot inflate. First parameter progress layout, second parameter null, third parameter false, then builder dot set view in the parameter view. After that, getting alert dialog from builder dot create, then dialog dot show. Now we will create another method hide progress dialog, and inside it dialog.dismiss. We will go to the main activity layout file, and inside it we will create a view which will be displayed when some error occur, data not loading, no internet, etc. By default, this view will be hidden. In case of some error, we will hide the recycler view and will display this view. We are using constraint layout for this view. View ID empty view. Inside the constraint layout, we will keep a text view. Text view text something went wrong. Parent layout height match parent. Will give a background color to this empty view. In the main activity, we need a reference of the empty view. Constraint layout variable name empty view. Inside onCreate method getting the reference of the empty view. Inside main activity layout file, empty view's visibility will be gone by default. Inside the main activity, we will create a new method show empty view. Inside the method, we will hide the recycler view and will show the empty view. Similarly, we will create another method hide empty view. Inside the method, we will show the recycler view and will hide the empty view. Now above add on complete listener, we will call the method show progress dialog, and inside the listener method on complete, in the first line we will call hide progress dialog. If task is successful is false, then we will call show empty view, and in else condition we will call hide empty view. Inside show progress dialog method, this should be dialog.show and not builder.show. In the progress_layout XML file, we will also keep a text view. Text view text please wait loading. I want to give a different color to the progress layout XML file background. So for that purpose, I will write a new color here in colors.xml file, and accordingly we will change the background color in the progress_layout XML file. The progress bar's constraint bottoms should be top of loading text view. Our code is complete. We could run the code. Thank you for watching this video. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.